Hey guys, it's Cutie Crafts. Today we're finally going to be making the Minecraft Allay. So grab all of your bead supplies and let's get started. These are the shades of blue that I'm using to make the Allay, but you can choose whichever shades you like. And now you just have to copy down these templates. You can pause the video at any point so you can make sure you copy it exactly as I show them. Or you could try to bead along with me by checking out my live stream VODs where I designed this. I designed all of my Minecraft mobs by myself. I just create them as I place the beads on the board. It's really hard to explain, so it would mean a lot if you could like this video and support my channel, subscribe. We are so close to 70,000 subscribers. The Allay is a pretty new mob, and I haven't really interacted with it much in my world. I only recently interacted with them after I found some pillagers who kidnapped them. But if you're interested in getting an Allay in your world, all you have to do is give it an item, and then it will look for any of those dropped items around the world and bring it back to you. Kind of like a crow who befriends you. These guys are pretty unique in that if you want to breed them, you have to get Amethyst and let it hold it while it's near a jukebox that's playing music. I haven't tried that yet, but apparently that's how you get another Allay. They just duplicate by themselves. And then you'll have a bunch more of these flying helpers to look for whatever item you give it. Now to iron the beads, as usual I'm using parchment paper and my iron set on the medium heat setting. This will be pretty quick and I make sure to iron both sides. Just don't get those holes to close up or else you'll have a really difficult time clicking the pieces together. And then we just place a heavy book on top as it cools to keep everything flat. I talk a little bit more about my ironing process in my live streams, so definitely check those out if you want to learn how I iron these 3D projects. Once the ironing process is done, then we can get on with assembling. This guy's head is so small, it's so easy and quick, you'll have an Allay in no time. During the design process, I had a really difficult time figuring out how to do the flapping wings on the Allay, but I thought back to my Minecraft bat design and decided to go with this cutting method where we can get these beads to bend and then they will be able to flap and still remain on the original piece. So we're gonna do a few slices here. Just don't cut all the way through, otherwise it's not gonna work. You're gonna cut its arms off. So just make sure you cut them very gently and then you can assemble it. This is probably one of the smallest mobs along with the Minecraft bat that I've made. So sometimes these smaller mobs have a harder design to figure out, but once you do figure it out, it's super easy to make and really quick too. Now I got my Arcal acrylic rod to attach the head, or you can use a toothpick, and I always have all of my supplies linked in the description if you're looking for beads or other supplies to make these projects. And that's the Allay, all done. So easy. One of my easiest Minecraft mobs. And of course, during my live stream, somebody suggested that I make an amethyst shard. Very fitting for the Allay. So here I am making it with purple beads, just following the original design from Minecraft and chatting with the chat. This was a really great suggestion because I was able to stick the Allay's acrylic rod into the amethyst shard and it looks like it's just flying and floating over it. A really cool display piece. It's so good. It looks so cute. That was a great idea to put it on a stand. Guys, that's so cool. I never thought about doing that. I should have done that for the bat. Oh my gosh, that's such a great idea. Thanks for your ideas. I should have asked more people. I mean that's what I love about live streaming, is because I get so much direct feedback and input right away. That's so cool. I love it. If you're interested in seeing the very first prototype of the Minecraft Allay that I came up with, as well as a giant head version, like a bobblehead version of the Allay, then check out the VOD. I've also linked it in the description, but you can go into my live streams tab on my YouTube channel to find all of my previous live streams. I've also been live streaming my Minecraft survival world. It's my forever world that I will build over a long period of time, so definitely check out my live streams, subscribe to be updated, and let's check out the Allay in-game. My dog is waiting for me, but I'm so curious. What is this? There's a big tower. Ah! Ah! Go! Ha ha ha! I'm up on your tower now. Welcome to the stream. I am just trying my best to survive after I somehow took over this villager outpost. I really don't know how we got here. You should make a Perler design for a pillager outpost. Wow, that's going to be very difficult. Look at all of these. Look at all this. It'll be huge. Maybe I'll make a Perler Bead design of a pillager. Let's go, let's go! Can I have tag? Can I... Oh, I defeated him! I defeated him! What is this? I got some stuff. I would love to meet the Allays and try to save them. You have to give an Allay any item, then they will follow you. Okay, let me bring out my axe. And we gotta save the Allays. Let's save them. Do I give them... Here, a fish. Here's a fish. Wow, I finally found the Allays. Wow, hey. I hope you enjoy the fish. Okay, let's save these guys. Let's save them. Let's give you a rose. Wait, come back. Take this rose. Ah! Ah! Oh no, 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 no. They all found me. Oh my gosh. Wait, please, please, please. Please. Ooh, ooh. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Please, please, please. Let's run away, let's run away. I came out here to look for my dog originally. But we got these two Allays. We freed them. How do I, what do I do with them? They're like little fairies. They're like my Fairly Odd Parents. I got Cosmo and Wanda. This is the Allay that I have also made into a Perler Bead figure. I even have an Amethyst here to hold it. I hope one day you can make your own Allay as well. You can make your own Cosmo and Wanda. Thanks for making it all the way to the end of this video. If you want to check out my Discord, the link is in the description. This is a really great place to share your bead art or to just talk about some of the projects that you're working on. I want to give a shout out to Dreamer as well as Nikki Pugs 03, who has sent some really cool pictures of recreations and even some of their own designs that they've made relating to Minecraft mobs. You guys did such a great job with your designs, and I am inspired to try making these mobs as well. I'll see you guys next time with another cutie craft. Bye!